Hello, hello.
Okay, there we go. I'm live. Alrighty. Start. We have a tornado coming toward OKC, just radar indicated. It is not on the, well, it might be on the ground. Let me switch CC numbers. I think one of these are on the ground, Ethan. I think this is on the ground, but near Watonga. Large severe thunderstorm warning just issued with a tornado possible label on it. Okay. I don't think you're live. It says upcoming. Yeah, it says it's upcoming. It's tracking storms in Oklahoma. It says waiting for Weather Watchers 405 at 6:26, but it's 6:30 almost. I think YouTube's messing up. You might want to redo it. I don't know. It says you're not live. Also, we have a couple negative numbers on CC. I'm getting negative numbers on CC, right over Highway 3, heading into Watonga, just south of it. And it's right over a spot of rotation. I don't think I have any cams near Watonga. How does has cams work? Or spotter network? Because for me, when I click on it, it doesn't tell me. It didn't give me a camera. I have storm chasers on. I have has cams and storm chasers on. Okay, now it says you're live. Back to Watonga here. I think the CC is just messed up. It is right over rotation. I think there's double spots of rotation here near Watonga. They did issue a severe thunderstorm warning here near Dallas. 1 inch hail. This is moving for OKC. There's 2 spots of rotation. Here and here. Moving this way, which is very bad of a drawing. Rotation there, and it's doing something like that. I cannot draw for my life. Rotation right over Custer City. Right over Custer City. Not on the ground, but it is rotating. I would be ready because that looks like that might be a tornado warning too, pretty soon. Also a little bit of rotation over Clinton. And Putnam also. Okarche, where's Okarche at? Where do you find your traffic cams at? All right, let's see. Okay. Radar update. Rotation is strengthening over Custer City. Same thing with Clinton. They're probably going to warn that pretty soon. Yeah, it did. I can't tell if Watonga's on the ground or not because the CC's different. On Watonga? They may reissue it. I don't know. They're probably going to issue one here near Custer City. This is moving toward Weatherford and Hinton. How do you work these cameras? I clicked on the camera. Do I have to right click? Oh, yeah, right click. No. Oh, wait, that's a sensor camera. Oh my word. I need an actual camera. Okay, it's looking kind of ominous in OKC. Oklahoma City. Looks kind of ominous. The skies look ominous. I have a camera. I use EarthCam for downtown OKC cams. They're pretty good. They have one at the Skyline and the Capitol. Central Skyline, yeah. Looks very ominous. Custer City is definitely going to get a tornado warning. I think they're going to they're going to probably let Watonga expire, and then I bet you Custer City will get tornado warning. There's a couple storms hooking near Amarillo. Not rotating, but not concerning yet. Nothing near DFW. Wow, Custer City's getting stronger. Okay, Watonga is probably going to expire. A little bit of rotation over Clinton.
Are you watching this morning at Logan County?
I bet you Weatherford's going to get a warning. This is heading toward Hinton, Lekaba, Binger, if I said that right. Long track would be Minco, Union City, Tuttle, Amber, Picasset, Blanchard, Chickasha, that area. We go to Tulsa for a second. I don't think there's much going to happen in Tulsa. Looks like there is, but it's just heavy rainfall, it looks like. There's lightning, but there is zero rotation. Stronger winds, 55 miles per hour, but Tulsa, you should be fine. They're probably going to let Watonga expire. I'm surprised there's not a tornado warning on Weatherford yet. This whole line's going to the metro, right? And then there's a couple cells down here near Amarillo that might move toward OKC. And don't forget the Thunder game starts in about 20 minutes too. Whoa, go to Paducah in Texas real quick. Strong rotation. I think that's on the ground. Paducah and Texas might be on the ground. It is northwest of DFW. It's not too far from Lubbock. It's strong. I think it is on the ground. Paducah, not too far from Lubbock. That is definitely on the ground. I know, but it's on the ground. Look at the CC. And then look at velocity. It's literally right on that rotation. Yeah, northeast. It's not too far from Altus. The Altus radar site's a bit different than what you see from Lubbock. I think that is on the ground. That would be right over near Hackberry and Stewart. Right over 1038. Let me go back to it. I see where the tornado would be if there's rotation. This is almost right over Weatherford. This is doing what that Watonga storm. They're going to let Watonga expire, I think. Unless that rotation hits an uptick, like right before. Most of them are moving like southeast to east. Like all of these storms used to be near. That's what I think. A lot of these storms are pushing east. I'm worried about the storm near Paducah, though. There's storm chasers on it. Was that Brandon Kopic? Yeah, it is. Second. He's on this. Never mind. I just lost connection with Brandon Kopic. Jason Cooley. He's on this storm. No. Brandon Kopic's just, I don't see much from Brandon Kopic. Do we have any chasers in Oklahoma? I think he's going up 82. I think he's going to stop in Benjamin probably. Maybe Seymour, but it's probably Benjamin. That small town. I think this is strong rotation. Yeah, let me look at the. I think Watonga is going to expire. I think this rotation is dying near Custer City. I don't think a warning will be issued. I mean, I may be wrong, but do I have my stream on private? I actually think I have my stream on private. Am I an idiot? I am an idiot. All right. I have my stream on private. Oopsies. There's a third storm chaser on that other storm, Aaron. Whoa. Hold on, go to Aaron Estman in Texas. He has a plume of dust on his screen. Near Paducah. Look at that. A little bit. Yeah, it's a plume of dust. Hold on, does Brandon Kopic see this? No, Brandon Kopic doesn't see it. Oh, Corey Gherkin's on this also.
Play with the marginal.
He's not loading. Corey Gherkin just passed Brandon Kopic. Kopic's going toward Guthrie. Corey Gherkin's not loading. We'll go up to Tulsa again. Get a good look up there, see if anything's happening. New severe thunderstorm warning near Sulphur Springs, Texas. And Cooper, Texas. A little bit of rotation on it. Not probably going to produce, but. This is getting stronger over near Weatherford. Honestly, it may produce. I don't know. Has Watonga expired? Yeah, Watonga just expired. I mean, the National Weather Service is kind of stupid, so they may issue a warning on it. Not me, but it does. Yeah, I'm on a different radar site. I'm trying to see if Corey Gherkin's loading yet. Okay, Paducah's died rapidly, but still rotating. I do not think it's on the ground anymore. There is 4 storm chasers on this one storm. 3. Never mind. Brandon Kopic is now in Guthrie. What is Jason Cooley saying? I know, it's not done what I expected. New severe thunderstorm warning for Dickens Spur, Texas. 70-mile-per-hour winds and 2-inch hail. The tornado warning? I think they're going to issue a warning here near Weatherford. That's getting stronger again. If you're in OKC, I'd be ready to take a shelter spot because this is coming. Yeah, there you go. Tornado warning. Almost 2-inch hail. This is going to go toward downtown OKC. Hold on. I'll call you back in a second. Hello? What is... Hello? I can't. Huh? Weather stuff. I probably can, though, in a bit, though. Okay. Okay, there we go. I have no clue what just happened. I have no clue what just happened. I got a call from Roman and his brother Reed. He answered. Tornado possible label on the severe thunderstorm in Texas near San Augustine. This is about to this is out of my viewing site. Well, really. We'll let it be. Near observed 80-mile-per-hour winds and almost 3-inch hail near Seymour, Texas. I cannot tell what is happening in that storm.
Hey, will you go turn the game on for me?
Yeah, give me a second. Give me a second. I will be right
That's okay, Seth.
back. No, I can do it. I can do it. Well, you got like 5 minutes.
Oh, yeah, go turn it on. Yeah.
All right, here, I'll be right back. Okay. David Payne is saying there's a debris signature on the storm near Custer. Well, there is, yeah, the one near Weatherford. David Payne is saying there's a debris signature. Okay, well, I think this is on the ground. This is heading for OKC and the game starts pretty soon. Pull up News 9s. See what David Payne's saying. And this is moving straight toward us, actually. This is moving toward Union City, I think. I think it's on the ground, Ethan. I don't know. I'm looking at CC. There's a couple negative numbers. It's moving southeast. This is going to move in during the game. I think I'm ending my stream also.